Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Muhammad Khairil Hilmi bin Abdul Halim. My name is Ayuni binti Zulkifli. My matric number is 23 DLH21F1031. Okay, today I want to present about chapter 3. The title is Uses and Function of Plants. Okay, on this slide I want to talk about contents. The contents that I choose is under subtopic function and uses. Under subtopic function plants, I choose two. This is aesthetic plants is Pandanus amarylifolius, and hedges is Delinia subfructicosa. And two uses of plants that I choose is edible, that is Cosmos caudatus Kun, and aromatic plant is Raya koniki. The plant that I choose is Pandanus amarylifolius. This plant needs to grow with a full sun, semi-shade, lot of water, moderate water, and this plant is butterfly houseplant, herbal or speech, fragrant plant and ornamental leaf, and herbaceous plant and category of a tree. Family name is Pandans. Synonym name is Pandanus bascarli, and common name is pandan. I have attached the link that I refer to get information and have an example image that I attach on this slide. And on this slide is characteristic of pandan plant. This is a size and growth form, foliage and leaf, flowers, fruits, and propagation of pandan plant. And on this slide is landscape feature of pandan plant. The desirable plant feature is ornamental foliage, fragrant foliage, and the plant and root zone preference tolerance is fertile loamy soil, well-drained soil, and easy to grow. And landscape uses is general, container planting, small gardens, and thematic landscaping is economic garden. The plant function of aesthetic plant is a combination several physical characteristics of texture, form, size, and color that provide beautiful interest and variety of the plant. For the hedges, the plant is Delinia subfructicosa. The plant needs grow to a full sun, depth of water, moderate water, and this plant is bee attractive plant, bird attractive plant, and native to Singapore, fruit or vegetable, and suitable for a roadside, ornamental flower and ornamental leaf, and category of shrubs. The family name is Delinecia, and the common name is Timpoai, and they have the link that I attach on the slide, and some example picture that show a plant of Delina subfructicosa. The characteristic of a Simpoai is size and growth form, foliage and leaf, flower, fruit, and propagation. And this landscape feature of Simpoai. Desirable plant feature is ornamental flowers, ornamental foliage, and plant and root zone preference tolerance is moist soil, water longer soil, drain sites, easy to grow, and the landscape uses a general roadside tree, farm, park and garden, small garden, hedge and screening, riverine, marsh, bog and reforestation, and thematic landscaping is economic garden, and the habitat is grow along forest edges, stream and in measures, secondary forest, and swampy ground up to 50-100 meter altitude in Singapore. It is one of the key species found in Adinatra Belluca, secondary forests on the degraded soil and other secondary forests. Prevention of hedges is screening, that using plants to interrupt views, practical solution for blocking an unsightly view. For the edible that I choose plant is Cosmos caudatus Kuhn. This plant need to grow with a full sun, moderate water, and this plant is bee attracting plant and butterfly attracting plant and fruit or vegetable and ornamental flower and herbaceous plant. The family name is Asteraceae and synonymous is Cosmos pipinatus and common name is Ulam Raja. That I have attached the link for that I refer to get all information for this plant, and I attach some example for plant Cosmos caudatus Kuhn. On this slide is characteristic of a plant Cosmos caudatus Kuhn. There is a size and growth form. The size and growth form is annual or short-lived perennial herb up to 3 meters tall. Foliage and leaf is a triangular to ovate leaf and occur in pairs. They are finely divided into many lens-shaped segments. The flower is a compound flower composite of egg purple or red, petal like red florets and many yellowish green. These flowers in the center. The fruit is a dry fruit. Propagation is biotic fauna. Insect is butterfly and more. And the landscaping feature is desirable plant feature is ornamental flower. Plant and root zone preference tolerance is fertile loamy soil, well drained soil. And landscape uses is flower bed or border. And the thematic landscaping is economic garden. And the plant uses edible is definition. Plants that suitable or safe to eat and have a part that can be tasted. Actionable edible plants have been known to vigorous raw or cooked fruit, leaf, roots, tubers, stems, seeds, roots, fruits, and flowers. Edible of plant are fruit usually sweet, fleshy, and succulent. And the aromatic plant that I choose is Murraya kuginigi. This plant needs growth for a full sun, moderate water, butterfly, houseplant, herbal or space, fragrant plant and shrubs. The family name is Rutaceae and common name is curry leaf tree. And I have to attach the link that I refer to get some information, and I attach to some example picture on the slide. And this is a characteristic of pokok kari. This is size and growth form. The pokok kari is shrub up to 2.5 meter tall, and the foliage and leaf, flower, fruits, and propagation melalui seed. And the landscaping feature of pokok kari is fragrant foliage. The plant and root zone preference tolerance is well drained soil, and landscape uses is park and garden, small garden, and container planting. And the thematic landscaping is economic garden. Plant uses is aromatic plant is contain aromatic essential oil that are extracted for perfumery, cosmetic coloring. Plant that possess aromatic compounds, most of which are essential oil which are volatile in room temperature. Sources of spices, herbal and other natural products such as traditional medicine, pharmaceutical, domestic, botanical, pesticide, pesticides, insect repellents, herbal teas or drink, compound are synthesized and stored in a special structure called gland, which is located in different parts of plants such as leaf, flower, fruit, seed, buds, and roots. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.